Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video is my Sephora Play video. If you don't know what Sephora Play is, it's basically just a $10 subscription. Yes, $10, but plus tax like $10.89, so $11. Anyways, it's $10 a month beauty subscription. You get hair care, skin care, a little bit of makeup, and I'm excited because they have like an artist couture, like little mini baby highlighter. Oh, by the way, this is like sample size items. Like we don't get full size items, like maybe once in a blue moon, but never. But yeah, so let's get into this. Like, they have an artist couture freaking highlighter, a NARS lipstick, a Clinique balm, lip balm, like type of lipstick. Like, I'm excited, okay? I'm excited to open this up. This is my Sephora Play for November, and I'm excited. Anyways, happy Friday, you guys. Like, TGIF. Like, why am I freaking talking like that? Anyways, if you like unboxings and you like tutorials and you like hauls, then don't be afraid to subscribe and enjoy my like family of friends. You feel me? Just enjoy life. Okay, let me stop talking BS. Well, it's not BS, but let me stop talking. Get into the unboxing. That's what you want to see anyways. So when you open the box, it says show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play, and then it comes with the packet that it always come with. This one actually comes with like little games that you could play on the subway. It says right here, stay in and play book. They have like a crossword puzzle, a find like scavenger hunt type of thing, word cross, you know, just fun game. The theme is self-care, and I got version D. So the real reason why I get Sephora Play is because it comes with these packets, like these little cards that give you like 50 extra bonus points, or last time it's 20% off your foundation. But this, like not winter, this month, it didn't come with a packet, like it didn't come with a pass. So I'm kind of a little iffy about that. Anyways, let's get into the bag. So this month's bag is purple. It just has the word play and like different languages on the back. It's like jam-packed. So yay. The first item in the box, I don't know, I try to say both at once, is Diva Curl Melt Into Moisturizer. This is a matcha butter conditioning mask, and I am kind of here for masks. You know, I have a mask try on Monday, but that's for like face and skincare mask. But I'm here for a hair mask. It's almost time for me to wash my hair again after I just got a wash inside and everything else. So I'm going to be trying this out very, very soon. Okay, this, I don't understand why it's in my box because I do not suffer from redness. I am a deep complexion type of person. I mean, yes, it does say hydration. Maybe that's the reason why they have this in my thing. But this is from Skin Fix. This is a overnight sleeping mask. This is a redness recovery mask, but it's also good for hydration, like for like dry winter like type of skin. I have oily combination, but I guess during the winter, you know, I told them that they have like a little test, like a little quiz, and I said that my skin does get a little dry. So I guess they sent me this over, but still it says redness. But I will try this out on a mask try on Mondays. By the way, up in the cards probably popped up one of my mask try on Mondays. Go check that out. The third product in the bag is from Kiehl's. This is their Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. This cream right here is so jelly-like. Like, it's jelly-like. Like, so creamy. And it smells like lemon or like honeysuckle. I like. Could never, you know, have too many moisturizers in my case. Like too many cleansers. Like I go by it so fast. Oh, we have a primer. We have the Ciate Wonderlust primer. I've actually wanted to try this out. Here's it. Like it has like seeds like the watermelon. That is so cute. I'm excited to try this out in like first impression Fridays. Wow, I haven't done that in a minute. Let's start back. By the way, how rude of me, I forgot to tell you how many samples you get. You get 5 beauty samples and a bonus. This is the bonus. This is the Versace Bright Crystal Perfume. The notes are flower, fruity, and musky. And this is what the bottle will look like. in my sense, it smells like a pear, and I'm like fond of pears, so I'm okay with that. The last product is this Artist Couture Mini Baby Highlighter, and yes! I like to use these highlights as a body highlight. This is like a pink, like iridescent. Like, it's really, really pretty. It's like pink and white. Blended into the skin, it kind of gives like a rosy glow. IDK if you could see it. But anyways, that's it for my bag. Do I really like it? Is it worth the money? To my knowledge, it is worth the money. I do really like it. The only one product I didn't like is the mask, which is actually kind of weird because I love masks. But anyways, I hope you guys like this unboxing. If you ever want to, see more unboxings, just hit that subscribe button. That would be linked right up there. Have a great day. Have a great night whenever you're watching this. And